Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. I am a bit excited today to share this recipe with you all because first time in UK in London I got this Puchka. We call it Puchka, or from where we make the jute basically. So yes, I am too excited. I found this thing yesterday in Bangladeshi store. I bought it, so thought let me share with you. This recipe I learned it from my mom. Basically a spinach recipe, but the way she used to make it is a bit fancy. So that's the reason I thought why not to share with all of you. So let me start, go ahead and prepare this recipe. Basically this recipe's name is Puchka gittu. Gittu means the knot. So I'll make the knot with the spinach and I'll make this recipe. So it's a very simple and easy recipe. So for that I need that red lentil which you'll call Cholar Dal. So far I soaked it for 10 minutes, so I'll boil it, but I'll not cook it fully, I'll half cook it. So first step I have to boil this red lentil in a half cooked way. This is the tender leaves, tender part of the Puchka. It came from Malaysia. So I'll use this front bit only. And I'll make the knot from this front bit. As these front bits are a bit tender and it's easier to make the knot. So collect as many as possible that front bit from each stem. Once it's done, you have to wash it thoroughly. Now just put a simple knot the way we generally put the knot, same way you have to put the knot. So same way you can make the knot from each stem what you collected from your main Puchka branch. All the knots or Puchka gittu is ready now. So let's check the dal is ready or not. Now here dal is also ready. It's not cooked properly, but it's half cooked. In a karai, I'll add 1 teaspoon of oil. You don't need too much oil, only 1 teaspoon is enough. I'll add 2 red chili, 3 cloves of crushed garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. This crushed garlic and mustard seeds gives a nice aroma in this Puchka gittu. Now time to add this half boiled dal. While boiling I added salt as per your taste and pinch of turmeric. So let it come to boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll put that knot. This is very simple and very tasty recipe. Very gently mix the dal and that knots. Cook it in medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Cover the lid now. After 3 to 4 minutes, put the lid off and it's almost done. These leaves doesn't take too long time to cook. It's with 3-4 minutes are enough. You can add 1 or 2 green chilies at the end. So our tasty Puchka gittu is ready. This recipe is neither too runny or not too thick. So my Puchka gittu is ready. It's very simple, very easy and very quick to make it. Doesn't need lots of ingredients and it doesn't take too long time as well. We generally eat with this Puchka gittu with the plain white rice. And about these loose leaves, definitely I'm not going to throw this thing. We make the plain spinach or Puchka bora, which is very popular in Bengali cuisine. Like a free pakora we make with these things, with that gram flour and the rice flour. So definitely I'll prepare this thing with that. So that's all from me today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.